Welcome guys. I'm just gonna show you how to get a stock and how to look at the charts. So since I've started buying the stocks, I'm not only looking at the short because I'm a long-term investor. I'm going 5, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years into putting my money in the company for a very long time, for a long haul. I'm not doing short. I'm not doing day trading. I'm not doing that because it's quite a lot of work. So what I do is I really look into the company. I read um, their their financial statements. I check up the management. I check up all those things that we're told, that we often told when you go to the workshop, when you try to understand how it goes to, or how we should go about investing. Sorry, I've got cold. So that's what I'm looking at. And for me, this is how I go about. Let's say, for instance, I like this AdTech group, AdTech group. So I love it. Why? It's about teaching. I'm a school teacher. I love teaching. And I want to put my money into things that I understand. I want to put my money into things that I want, that I love. So I love teaching. I know there's a lot of things that's going to happen to this company. I know there's a lot of things that this company is doing in Africa, in South, particularly in southern part of Africa, where they just going for quality education in most schools in most countries. They're doing the best. So let's look at the chart. Start off with the chart. Okay. If I look at the monthly chart, 1 month chart, guys, 1 month chart is saying to me, the company is going down. On this, not the company. Sorry, guys. But if I look at a 1 month chart, it's actually saying to me or to us that in a month the stock price is going down, and the stock price went 8.83% down. So if you are a day trader and you see this, this will just throw you off the stock. You're not gonna want to buy it because you're day based. That's what you're looking at. And if it looks like that, now you can buy. Or you want to buy against. You know what? Buy against. What's that term? I actually forget the term. But this what happened. If you buying against, like when you say when stock goes down, and you can then trade down again. It's kind of complicated. We'll get to it later. We're gonna have a video about it that only speaks about that. Sorry. So let's look at the stock going down. So 1 month it's going down. It's actually saying to you, if you're a day trader, nope, 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 nope. Don't go for it. But if you are a long-term trader, you're investing your money for quite a long time, then this kind of exciting. Remember the big people, particularly Warren Buffett, he's saying when everybody is scared, when there's fear all over the market and people running away, people are taking their monies off because they want safe havens. He's actually saying you should be excited. Buy. When everyone has a lot of fear and everyone is scared, you should have the confidence and buy the stock. So buy them when they're going down. Why? Because he believes that's going to go up. And it's proven in a very long time that stock market goes up after some time. They're not going down forever. Unless it's staying off, a staying off saga, unless there's a lot of things happening in the company. My suggestion to you is always read. And with investments, it's not just putting out your money there and then that's it. It's a lot of work, guys. It's a lot of work. You have to read. You have to read. Go into details. So in a month, it's saying nope, nope, nope. It's going down. So in a month, 8.83% down. So let's look at 3 months. What happened in 3 months? So in 3 months, it's also going down and it's actually doubled. It's saying 16.68, like a double going down. And the stock price, if you look at, was 1955, and it went down around 15 December to 1545. And then at the moment, today, 29 Jan 22, it's 16 rands from 1955. Okay, so it's going down. If you short term, you're gonna sell or you sold already. If you long term, you're gonna look at it. You're gonna read. You're gonna check what's happening in the company, what causes this. You're gonna look at the market generally. At the moment, it's 29 Jan 2020. The stocks globally, the JSE, all share, the stocks they're going down, so they're impacting all of them. Stocks are impacted by a lot of things happening in the world. But let's check 6 months. What's up, 6 months? In 6 months, it's a different story. It's a different story. That's why I'm saying I'm going in for a long time. In 6 months, it's saying it's going down 11.11%. So from June 2021, stock was 1440, and 29 Jan six. If you look from down near the bottom, so let's look here. It's 1455. Then we move to this part here. It's 1525. Then we move to this part here. It's 16. If you look at this part here, it's also 16. Does it say 16? It's 1545. Sorry, it's 1545. Then it's 16. If I can draw a straight line going this way, you will see that it's going like this. So it's going up. That's what we're looking at. So it means the stock is growing in the long term. Let's see what we're going to find in a year. In a year, it's actually looking pretty well. It's looking pretty beautiful. It's saying in a year, in a one full year, the stock price went up by 57.64. 57.64, a whipping 57.64. So if we look at it on the 1st of Feb, it was 10, and we're gonna go straight to today at 16. So it went up by about 6 rand in the long term. So it's looking pretty good for me because I'm planning to put my money in there for a long time. Let's look at maximum. Like maximum, we're looking at 5 years. What happened in 5 years? In 5 years, from 2014, 2016, 2018, 2020, 2022. If you look here, stock price was 810, and so it actually went down from 2014 to 2022. It went down. If you look at 2014, the stock price was about 878, and in 21 Feb 2020, 752. And then if you go up to today, it actually went up. You saw those one full year that it grew from about 10, which is somewhere here. I think somewhere here. Yeah, then went up this way. So if you look at it's going this way. But it has grown in a maximum of growth. It's a whopping 97.53%. So the stock price has been going up since, in 5 years compared to a month. So remember, the difference between a short term and long term. Short term is they're looking at the short movement by an hour, by a few hours, by a day, by 2 days, by 3 days, by 5 days, until a month. That's a short term. For 3 months, some people they short trade for like 3 months. So they're looking at a short, like what exactly what it says in English. It's a short term investment. I'm putting in my money for a short time. Some people go a day to 6 months. But most people, they like short term is like a day to three months. And from 6 months to 5 years, some people say it's long term. But for me personally, my long term is 3 years to 10 years to 15 years to 20 years. So that's a look that I wanted us to have today on the market, how to check the charts, and in a simple way to check the charts and try to understand what they mean and what's happening. So that's it for now, guys. Catch you on another one. Have a good one. And before you invest, my advice to you, I'm not a financial advisor, but before you invest, guys, read. It's a lot of reading. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Enjoy reading, enjoy investing, and stay in there for a long time. Cheers for now.